If you have a layered SVG file that you bring in, like this one, I can tell it's layered because each individual color has a different cut line showing all the different layers. So there is somebody that wants to just use the middle alien. So first we gotta ungroup them. And now if I click this, I can see it's doing all of the aliens, the parts for that color. So if I click here and go contour, I can turn off this alien and this alien. And now you can see the black is gone. So now I'm going to do that for each one. Click that layer and go contour. And turn off everything for this alien. He's got a lot more parts. And then I'm going to slide over here and turn off the stuff for this alien. And I might click the wrong buttons, but I'll be able to see him in just a sec. Okay, so now I'm going to click the blue and go contour. And I'm going to click the ones for this alien and then this alien. And you can see every time I do this, whoops, I'm getting less and less pieces for the outside aliens, but I'm leaving the inside ones. So now let's do this blue. I'm going to go contour and get rid of these. Slide over. And just keep going for each layer.